Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to apply for Lazypay. You see, to apply for Lazypay is quite simple. It usually involves using a Lazypay mobile application. So the first logical step will be to download the Lazypay app. Download and install it on your smartphone. You can download from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, depending on the device you're using. Google device, download from Google Play Store. Android devices from Google Play Store, and iOS devices from App Store. Next, open the app and sign up for a new account or log in if you already have one. This usually involves entering your mobile number and verifying it with an OTP. Next, you'll be prompted to enter some basic personal details. Based on the information provided, Lazypay will check your eligibility and determine a credit limit for you. This step often involves quickly completing a Know Your Customer, that is KYC. That is to fully activate your account and potentially increase your credit limit. You definitely need to complete the KYC process. It usually involves uploading a photo ID proof like Aadhaar card or PAN card, address proof like Aadhaar card, voter's ID, passport, or utility bills, a selfie, a bank account details, that is account number and IFSC code. You might also need to set up a repayment mandate from your bank account. Once your KYC is verified and approved, you can start using the available Lazypay services such as Buy Now, Pay Later. You can apply for an express cash personal loan if eligible for an enhanced limit, or you can apply for the Lazy card if available and you meet the criteria. Now, what are the general eligibility criteria for Lazypay services? They typically involve or include being a resident of India, being within a specific age range, often between 22 to 55 years old. But if you're 18, you can get a credit card. Being a salaried individual. For some services like personal loans, you must be a salaried individual. Residing in a major tier 1 or tier 2 city in India, that is very important. And meeting internal credit risk assessment criteria. So keep in mind that the specific steps and requirements might have slight variations depending on the specific Lazypay product you are applying for, e.g. Buy Now, Pay Later limit, personal loan or credit card. And any updates to their process might also affect the requirements slightly. So always refer to the instructions provided within the Lazypay app